Hey, it's Donna Sparks here with part 2 of this tutorial, learning how to add the second hoop. What is the timing? What is the entrance? How do we do a 2-hoop walk lane leave? Okay, let's double check that we've got it in each hand first. So thumb leading, palm down grip, across and out, drop behind, over, across and out, drop behind and over, across, out, drop behind and over. One hand's got it, double check the other hand, across and up, out and over, across and up, out, drop behind, over, across and up, out, drop behind, over. Yeah? So check you've got this. We are going to be doing this move both with thumb leading. So it's going to look like this. Same time, both thumb leading. Yeah? So the hoops go down and up at the same time. One's always going to be in front of the body when the other's behind, and so on. So the easiest way to start this is to take your first hoop, usually the dominant hand, go across and up, drop behind. So we've got one hoop starting in front and one starting behind. As this front hoop goes to come across and start its movement, the back hoop is going to come over to finish its movement. So the first part of this movement goes this front hoop up and over, drop behind, and this back hoop over and in front. Here we go. Up, this one's going drop behind, this one's going drop in front. Boom, we're now on the other side of that movement, so we're halfway through. Back hoop goes over and out, front hoop comes up, across, drop behind. Same time. Boom. Boom. Remember to relax the grip and let the hoop drop behind. The hardest part of this motion is this hoop here as it goes behind. Switch. So this one comes up, this one goes over, drop behind and in front. Once you can start to get that, you can drop into the rhythm of it. Boom, 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 boom. I'm going to show you this from the back as well, then we'll do slow-mo. Okay, this hoop is going to go over and drop behind. Starting behind, the other one's starting in front. As this back hoop comes over and across, this front hoop is going to come up and drop behind. As this hoop goes over and across, the front hoop is going to come up and drop behind. It may help to keep looking over your shoulder at the hoop that's dropping behind. If you want to clean up your planes even more, then you need to lean back a little and push this hand back a little, yeah? Fast mo and slow mo. I hope you got it. If you liked it, please do share it. You can find me on Facebook at hoopsparks, Instagram at Donna Sparks, or the internet at hoopsparks.com. Subscribe for more cool things and drop a comment below if you get stuck. I'm happy to help you out. Enjoy! Double, double, double trouble!